Welcome to our comprehensive exploration of fluoride, a substance that has sparked debates and controversies for decades. While many of us associate fluoride with dental health and cavity prevention, there is a darker side to its history that often goes unnoticed. In this video, we will delve into the hidden truths surrounding fluoride, unraveling its origins, its impact on health, and the propaganda efforts that have shaped public perception. Join us on this journey as we unveil the complex story behind fluoride. To understand the controversy surrounding fluoride, we must first examine its origins. Fluoride in its natural form occurs in caves and other geological formations. However, the fluoride compound used in industrial processes is a man-made creation and significantly more toxic. This artificial fluoride compound is a byproduct of aluminum manufacturing, which produces hazardous waste including ammonia, methane, and fluoride. During the 1930s, major corporations like Alcoa faced a dilemma: how to dispose of the toxic fluoride waste without incurring substantial costs. The solution they found was to release fluoride into the air or dump it into rivers, taking advantage of the lack of awareness and regulation during the industrial age. As the detrimental effects of fluoride exposure began to surface, Alcoa and the other fluoride-producing companies faced potential lawsuits and public scrutiny. To combat these threats, they embarked on a propaganda campaign to rebrand fluoride as a beneficial substance. Their aim was to change public perception from viewing fluoride as a toxic chemical to an essential component for dental health. By the 1940s, studies emerged linking fluoride to stronger teeth and cavity prevention. Dentist Frederick Mackay's discovery of the brown staining caused by high fluoride levels in water paved the way for fluoride's positive image. Cities across America began adding fluoride to their water supplies, and toothpaste manufacturers incorporated fluoride into their products. While fluoride gained widespread acceptance, controversies and concerns regarding its effect on health persisted. Critics such as Dr. Phyllis Mullinex conducted studies showing that fluoride exposure. In recent years, studies have suggested a potential connection between fluoride exposure and lower IQ in human infants. Opponents argue that the dosage of fluoride in water and dental products is not precisely controlled, leading to potential overexposure and adverse health effects. Skeptics question the long-term safety and efficacy of water fluoridation, citing the need for informed consent and individual choice. The successful rebranding of fluoride as a dental hero can be attributed to a powerful combination of industry influence, government support, and scientific research. The fluoride industry directly funded studies and established academic journals to support their claims. Dentists who had a vested interest in promoting fluoride became strong advocates, further solidifying its positive image. The fluoride industry's ability to shape public perception through strategic advertising, political lobbying, and cooperation with dental associations highlights the influence of corporate interests on public health policy. It raises important questions about the integrity of scientific research and the prioritization of profit over public well-being. Fluoride's journey from hazardous waste to dental savior is a testament to the power of propaganda and industry influence. While there is evidence supporting fluoride's benefits in dental health, the controversy surrounding its safety cannot be ignored. As individuals, it is essential to critically evaluate the information presented to us and make informed decisions about our health. The ongoing debate surrounding fluoride highlights the need for transparency, rigorous research, and a balanced approach to public health initiatives. By understanding the complex history and controversy surrounding fluoride, we can engage in informed discussions and navigate this contentious topic with greater clarity.